In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a strike-through in Google Sheets. Adding a strike-through can be a helpful way to visually indicate that certain information in your spreadsheet is no longer relevant or has been completed. It's a subtle yet effective tool to keep your data organized and make your spreadsheet easier to navigate. So let's dive right into how you can achieve this. First, you'll want to start by selecting the cell, or even multiple cells if that suits your needs, that you wish to apply a strike-through to. Simply click on the cell to highlight it. If you need to select more than one cell, you can click and drag your cursor over the desired cells or hold down the Shift key while clicking on each one individually. This step ensures that you are targeting the correct data before applying any formatting changes. Now, once you have your cell or cells selected, look at the toolbar at the top of your Google Sheets interface. You're searching for the strike-through icon, which typically looks like an S with a line through it. By clicking this icon, you instantly apply a strike-through to the contents of the selected cells. This method is straightforward and visually intuitive, making it easy for those who prefer to use the mouse for navigating and editing their spreadsheet. If you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts and is eager to speed up your workflow, there's an alternative method to apply a strike-through. Instead of clicking the icon, you can use the keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Alt key, then the Shift key, and finally press the number 5. This combination will apply the strike-through effect to your selected cells. This method is particularly efficient for users who are frequently typing and prefer to keep their fingers on the keyboard, minimizing the need to switch to the mouse. And just like that, you're done. Applying a strike-through in Google Sheets is a simple yet powerful way to manage your data effectively. You can mark tasks as complete, indicate outdated information, or simply organize data to visually distinguish different types of content. Whether you choose to use the toolbar or the keyboard shortcut, both methods will provide you with the same neat result, and you can decide which approach best fits your style of working. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you better manage and organize your spreadsheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity with Google Workspace tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.